Alright, today I'll be doing a fall nail tutorial. So I'll just be using Mes Fées nail polish, the color changer, which is one of my favorite nail polish. The link will be down below. Again, it's only $2.50, great price. And I'll be using that to put the chrome as my base before I put the chrome sheer, which will then hold it on. Basically, that's it. I'll also be using a polish from Nailwind that I got on AliExpress. I do not recommend buying it. It's very hard to use. It's very sticky, so I wouldn't recommend. But yeah, I'll be using that to be creating my flower design, which I can't wait for you guys to see. And now I just want to create like a kind of marble fall nail design. So I'm mixing my OPI in the color red, ASP in the color like TAME, T-A-M-E, and China Glaze to give it a nice sheer. And I'm just mixing them together and I'm putting them on top. The only gel polish that I'm using is ASP, not the OPI and the China Glaze is like a regular nail polish. So when I mixed them together with the gel and I put on my nail, I wanted to give it a second to air dry. So I did all the other nails before putting a gel top coat on top so that I can hold the polish. Because I knew some of it would dry under the lamp, but not all of it because it's not all gel. I'm so sorry for the bad angle. Next time I'm gonna fix that because you guys can't even see what I'm doing, but you can kind of see it. I'm just putting like different shreds of the different colors and mixing them together so it's more pigmented. But that's basically what I'm doing. And now I'm using the chrome sheer on the 3 nails that I put the Mes Fées on. And I really like doing this, but it gets so messy. It gets every single place. So I just take a little dash, just a little bit, and you dash it on top and you just rub as fast as you can. And then it comes out really, really pretty. As you can see, I'm doing it right now and it comes out really, really good.